Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw some cute, funny fall gourds. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our cartoon gourds. Let's begin with the top. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a curved line like this. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then in like this. And then same thing here, down, we're kind of gonna go out and then in. Next, I'm gonna kind of curve it up and I'm gonna make a little curved line here. And we'll do the same thing, kind of curve it up. We'll make a little curved line here. And then we'll make a little curve here. Next, we'll make a line that's gonna go up, across, and then connect to here. Now let's make another one over here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around like this. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve here. I'm going to make a bump and kind of curve to here. I'll make kind of like a line that goes over and up, and then I'll just kind of redraw that same shape for the stem. Next, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. And then I'm going to make this kind of curve out like this. I'll make a big bump here, and then a bump here, and then one more here. I'll make a line that's going to come up, over, and then down. Now let's add some faces. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make another circle for an eye here. Let's color in a black dot each one for a pupil. We'll make a line across, and then we're going to go down and up for a mouth. We'll make this line curve for a tongue. Now for this one, I'm going to make a line that's going to go in and out. We'll go in and out. We'll make a smile, and then we'll curve down and up. We'll make a tongue, and then a line across for some teeth. Then over here, I'm going to make a circle. I'm going to make another circle. I'm going to make a black dot here and a black dot here. I'm going to make a line across. We're going to come down and up. We'll make some little bumps for some teeth, and then a little line across for the tongue. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a wavy line that's just going to come down here. And then I'll make another one here. And then I'll make one here just for some detail on our gourds. Over here, I'm going to make a little wavy line. It's just going to kind of come down and up and all the way around to here. And then this one, I'm going to make some kind of like broken little lines. They're just going to kind of come up and down our little gourd here. And there you go. There is your drawing of some fun cartoon gourds for fall. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.